From historical paraphernalia to press releases and Pangasinan experience during the World War II is situated in one place to commemorate the heroic act of the veterans during the Japanese invasion. Welcome to the Veterans Memorial Park. Along the vicinity are the tanks and planes that played a pivotal role during the World War II. Veterans Memorial Park was built in 1995 to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the Lingayen Gulf Landing. In between the Veterans Park and the Urduha House stands a significant symbol that Pangasinan is proud of, the Asna Monument.
Ang Asna ay isang lumang Pangasinan na word for asin. At sa atin sa Provincial Government of Pangasinan, nung nagkaroon ng selection ng most outstanding Pangasinenses, those who serve the province and the nation exceptionally well, tinawag natin silang Asna. So, we refer now outstanding Pangasinenses as an Asna. And this monument pays tribute to all these outstanding Pangasinenses. Kaya if you will see this sculpture around the Capitol complex, it represents grains of salt who exemplify these outstanding Pangasinenses. Marami tayong outstanding Pangasinenses in Pangasinan na tinatawag nating salt of the earth. Siyempre, when we start recognizing outstanding Pangasinenses who excelled in their field, expertise man, with their skills and talents, we also want the youth, for example, to exemplify their life. They can be their role models, and they themselves can also become outstanding Pangasinenses by sharing their talents, by being professionals and serving our people. And beyond Pangasinan, they can also extend to the world their services and their talents. So we wish for more Pangasinenses to be of major contribution to the society as well, to become salt of the earth themselves. For the first time noong 2010, nagkaroon ng celebration among us Pangasinenses about our foundation anniversary, and we saw the need to also start giving recognition to outstanding Pangasinenses. So when we developed that award, nagkaroon din tayo ng symbol. It's considered a work of art. So it's in a public space here at the Capitol Park. For more people, Pangasinenses or even visitors to Pangasinan, can also visit. May list din yan of awardees para din nga they will be recognized. Pangasinan, ang pinagmulan po niyan, etymologically, means where salt is made. So ipag-translate mo yan sa Pangasinan, Panag-asinan. So yung pangalan po ng ating probinsya evolved with that because of the recognition attributed by traders coming to Pangasinan. Nung unang panahon kasi, ang lalawigang Pangasinan, before siya makilala as Pangasinan, ang mga pumupunta dito, ang mga taga dito, they refer to it as Kaboloan. Yun yung lumang salita din ng Pangasinan. Yung Kaboloan, it refers to the areas in Pangasinan where bolo, a bamboo species, abounds. So marami yan sa inland Pangasinan, sa looban ng Pangasinan. Pero since Pangasinan is a coastal province, meron tayong 14 coastal cities and towns spanning across the province, Siyempre, ang mga lugar nito, karamihan ng major industries nila like Anda, Bani, Bolinao, Alaminos, even San Fabian, may ginagawang asin. Salt beds are in this coastal area. So, yung mga traders nung unang panahon na pumapasok dito sa Pangasinan through our seas, through their ships, ang tawag nila sa atin, Panag-asinan, where salt is made. So, yun ang mas nakilala sa ating Pangasinenses kasi ito yung salita na ng mga foreign traders who came to Pangasinan, where the salt is made. Under the administration of Governor Vico now, our major development thrust is for tourism development and promotions. When we say tourism development, we're looking at developing new destinations, alternative destinations and activities for our tourists. Since we are targeting more tourists to come to Pangasinan. And the entry point is not just the Capitol Complex, but also the popular 100 Islands National Park in Alaminos. So from this area, more facilities that will infrastructure facilities that will support tourism will be constructed, like the Pangasinan Link Expressway, which will span from that TPLEX area from Binalonan going to here in Lingayen, the capital town. And then further on, magkakaroon ng phase 2, hopefully with the same partners of the provincial government going to 100 Islands naman. But in Western Pangasinan, we are seeing the construction of the Bolinao Airport to support a new market for tourism in Pangasinan. Our cultural development thrust naman will be centered on cultural education of Pangasinenses for us to appreciate more our heritage and for us to be proud of our heritage. So that's our primary concern, and we're using the development of the first provincial museum, yung Banaan Provincial Museum, for more Pangasinenses to discover our natural and cultural heritage and with history. And with that, we hope that they will appreciate and be proud of who we are as Pangasinenses, of what we have become through the years, and what we can be, who we can be in the future. By being outstanding Pangasinenses, mga as na kami, salt of the earth ang Pangasinenses.
These memorabilia are the eyewitness and proof of the living valor that lies within the spirit of the veterans whose lives and blood has been poured for freedom.
Dalilan